New Google AI Studio plus anti-gravity update is insane. Google just dropped something that nobody saw coming. They built an AI inside AI Studio that creates entire apps for you from scratch. One sentence is all it takes. No coding, no hiring anyone, no headaches. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to want to try this yourself. So here's what happened. Google went and quietly added something called anti-gravity into AI Studio. And this isn't some small little tweak. This isn't a new color theme or a shiny button. This is a whole new way to build apps, like completely new. You open your browser, you type what you want in normal everyday words, and anti-gravity goes to work. It builds your app piece by piece right in front of your eyes, the stuff people see on screen, the stuff running behind the scenes, the login system, the database, the animations, all of it. Done. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's a bunch of AI coding tools already, right? Cursor, Replit, all that stuff. And yeah, those tools are cool. But here's the thing. Most of them just help you code faster. They're like spell check for developers. They suggest the next line. They auto-complete stuff. That's nice, but that's not what anti-gravity does. Anti-gravity doesn't assist you. It replaces the whole process. It thinks about your app. It plans the layout. It writes every line of code. It tests everything. It finds problems. It fixes those problems. And then it hands you a working app you can actually click around and use. So that's a completely different thing. Let me put it this way. Those other tools are like giving someone a faster hammer. Anti-gravity is like hiring an entire construction crew that builds your house while you sit on the couch. Big difference, right? Okay, so let me get into the features because this is where your jaw is going to drop. Feature number one, it builds the whole app, not half an app, not just the homepage, the full thing, front end, back end, database, services, everything talking to each other, everything working together, all from one single place. You used to need 5 different tools stitched together with duct tape. Now it's all baked into Google AI Studio. Feature number 2. Multiple people can use your app at the same time, real time, like a team working in the same dock at the same time, but inside your app. That kind of stuff used to take a whole squad of engineers weeks to figure out. Anti-gravity sets it up for you automatically. In minutes, not weeks, minutes. Feature number 3, your app connects to real tools, Slack, Twilio, Firebase, or systems. So your app isn't just a pretty face sitting there doing nothing. It actually works in the real world. It sends messages, it saves data, it logs people in safely, and all your keys and sensitive stuff are locked down tight. Security isn't something you add later, it's built in from the jump. Feature number 4, your app actually looks good, like really good. Anti-gravity pulls in professional icons and smooth animations automatically. So what you end up with doesn't look like some kid's homework project. It looks like something a legit company would put out, clean, polished. The kind of design that makes people trust what they're looking at right away. That matters more than most people think. Feature number 5, and honestly, this is the one that impressed me the most. Every time the AI makes a change to your app, it shows you exactly what it did. Screenshots, test results, documentation, a full breakdown. So you're never sitting there wondering what just happened or what broke. You can see everything, you can track everything. That kind of transparency is rare and it's a game changer for anyone building something serious. Now, real quick, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Google AI Studio and Anti-Gravity to actually grow your business and automate the boring stuff, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn step by step how to use tools like anti-gravity to build real things for your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Link is in the description and the comments. Go grab it. All right, so now let me walk you through what it actually looks like when you use this thing, because talking about it is one thing, seeing the process is another. Step 1, you go to Google AI Studio in your browser. Step 2, you type a prompt, something like, hey, build me a project management app with user accounts and a modern, clean look. Step 3, you watch. The anti-gravity agents start working. They map out what your app needs. They decide what pages to create. They figure out how the database should be set up. They write the front-end code so everything looks sharp. They write the back-end code so everything runs smooth. They wire it all together. They run tests. And if something goes wrong, they don't just throw an error message at you and walk away. They fix it themselves and keep going. Then they hand you a live preview. You can click through it, test the login, check if data saves properly, see if the animations feel right. And here's the best part. If you don't like something, you just tell it what to change. Make the header bigger, switch the color to dark mode, hook it up to my Slack, add email notifications, and it just does it. Plain English, no code, no confusion. Oh, and one more thing I almost forgot to mention. You're not stuck with just one AI model. Anti-gravity lets you use different models for different parts of your app. So maybe Gemini handles the heavy backend logic, and Claude handles the design and UI stuff. Each model does what it's best at. It's like having a team of specialists working on your project instead of one person trying to do everything. That's called multi-model support, and it's a huge deal. Now, let me tell you why this matters so much. Think about the old way of building an app. You get an idea, you write it down, you try to explain it to a developer, you go back and forth for weeks trying to get them to understand what's in your head. They build a first version. It's wrong. You give notes, they rebuild. It's still not right. You find bugs, you report them, you wait for fixes. 3 months later, you maybe have something that sort of works. Maybe. Now think about the new way. You open Google AI Studio, you type what you want, like you're sending a text message, anti-gravity builds it in front of you. You test it on the spot, you don't like something, you type a change, it updates right away. You could go from idea to working app in under an hour. Something that used to take months, gone, just like that. I've been building businesses online for years. I built a 7-figure agency from scratch with a team of 50 people. I've tested every tool you can think of. And I'm telling you straight up, this is one of the biggest shifts I've seen. Because it's not a gimmick. It's not a demo that looks cool, but falls apart when you actually try to use it. This is a real tool that builds real apps that real people can use. Think about what this opens up. You've got an idea for an app, but you can't code. Doesn't matter anymore. You want to automate something in your business, but you don't know where to start. This is your starting point. You've been stuck waiting on developers who take forever. That wait is over. The wall between having an idea and having a working app just disappeared. And the people who figure this out early are going to be way ahead of everyone else. So here's what I want you to do. Go open Google AI Studio right now. Try anti-gravity. Type in a prompt and see what happens. Push it, test it, see how far you can take it. Because the more you play with this, the faster you'll see what's possible. And what's possible right now is honestly unreal. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to use Google AI Studio and anti-gravity to scale your business and automate your workflows so you're not guessing and wasting time, join my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation using tools like Google AI Studio and anti-gravity. You'll get step-by-step guidance on exactly how to put these tools to work for your business starting today. Link is in the description and the comments. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. It's completely free, and it's the fastest way to stay on top of every AI update that matters. Drop a comment below and tell me what app you would build first with Google AI Studio and anti-gravity. Julian reads every single one. Hit subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.